This video is explaining how to install Apparo Fast Edit for IBM Cognos Analytics. First step is to define a portal folder in Cognos Analytics. Later we will store the new Apparo Designer entry into it. You can use a freely definable folder name. Now it is time to start the Apparo setup. Please click the Next button. You can choose between single instance and multi-instance. The multi-instance architecture is for large systems with many application servers. In this movie we use the single instance architecture. Please accept the default installation destination directory. Please accept the default name Apparo. Now it is time to run the Apparo Configuration Manager. This tool is helpful for defining all configuration settings. The settings are organized in chapters. You can find a detailed description for each setting in the yellow box. In Chapter Web Security Settings you can define the security group that is necessary for having full access in Apparo Fast Edit. If this setting remains empty then everybody has full access. In Chapter Repository you can define the database that must store all of your definitions. We will use the internal database that is suitable for small environments. In a real-world system you can use a typical relational database like IBM DB2, Oracle or SQL Server. Please paste the license key here. If you don't have a license key then please contact the Apparo support. With test configuration you can check the whole configuration. Now start Apparo with pressing Start Apparo button. Later we want to start the Apparo Designer directly from the Cognos portal. Please select Chapter IBM Cognos Analytics. You can find a button for creating a portal entry. Apparo Fast Edit is using the IBM Cognos Gateway. Therefore it is necessary to customize these web server too. Apparo is delivering a script for that. Just check the settings and answer with yes. If you want to use different setting values then you can open this file in a text editor. Now we can open the Apparo Designer. Please open the Apparo folder and then the Apparo Designer entry. We must define a new client. Each client is a separated environment with own security, own optical definitions and so on. Now we have defined the client with the name demo. Each client has many settings. This client must support the language English, therefore it is necessary to import this language. Here you can define the access rights for this client. The standard colors of all business cases and the designer itself are changeable too. Now the Apparo system is installed properly. It is now time for creating your business cases.